Hello staff, I've created a short video just to show everyone how to enter a Zoom link into a Google appointment time slot for parent-teacher conferences. So in here, what I will do is I will be going into my Google and I will be scheduling a time here. Once the parents have opened up the parent-teacher link, they will see all of these little boxes. When they click on a box, you'll see a pop-up for them to book an appointment. Here, the parents will put in either phone call or Zoom. And if they request a Zoom, they will enter it into here, or they will put their number right in here for you to get them to contact. So at that point, they will hit save and we will move on to the next step. Where you will see here, once parents start to sign up for appointments, they will start to go into your Google Calendar. Here I'm on November 19th, the date that I had scheduled one. Here you could see the information that I put in now is on my Google Calendar, and up here where it says Ryan Luft, this is where either you will see the parent's name or the student's name. I've asked them to either create a new Google account if they do not have one of their own, or to just schedule through their child's school account. The next step you will find to be pretty easy, as we have entered all the Zoom links for November 19th and November 3rd into the master calendar for fall conferences. You can go in and right-click and paste that link right into here. When finished, click Save, and that will update your appointment on your Google Calendar as well as theirs on their own personal calendar. If you have any questions, please let me know how I can help.